everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to edit homepage on Samsung Internet. So from the home menu, we tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, and then we look at the homepage, tap on homepage. Now you can customize it or edit it by choosing to allow quick access to show on the homepage or custom page. Then put in the page you want to show. For example, let's say I want Google to show. Instead, click on save and it's only Google that will show. So this is the website to make sure it's there. So if I go back to the home page now, it's supposed to be Google that will show. That means I didn't save it. Let's go back, settings. So this is the home page, custom page. So quick access is the web link provided by Samsung Internet. So this is custom page. I'll put it as my home page. Tap on save, and then you can also decide for the home page. Let's go back and see. It's still showing me quick access. Why is that? Let's open it up again and see what's wrong. Still showing quick access. Okay, it's got Google is already part of the home page already, and I put in Google again, so that's why it's already there, and I put it in again. Anyway, so that's it. I've added Google to the home page. It's already, and it was already there. But if you want to put something else, when you add it, it will now show in the home page. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.